How dangerous is this?
Oh yeah!
That is crazy! Oh my gosh! So I'm at someone's house who you guys will probably remember.
No, you're not watching an Eric video. That is Eric, but this is footage from when he was at my house and we were testing the hovercraft.
Access granted.
Whoa. That's fancy.
Oh.
What's up, baby? There he is.
What's up, man? I haven't tried to start the hovercraft.
You haven't tried to start it?
Not since I crashed it.
What? How dangerous is this?
I have a helmet for us.
Oh, are you serious?
Yeah, seriously, you need a helmet.
What? This is not a bike helmet.
This is my track helmet.
How fast is this thing supposed to go?
Don't really know. I got this from a guy who books automobiles for music videos and movies.
Oh
This
my
one.
gosh. Dude, what? That is not real. It has like bike handles on it.
Look at this one.
Oh my gosh, dude. Oh wow, it's light, huh?
If the ground is smooth, it's easy to move. And we'll probably need to do that in the future.
Move it around.
Because steering is the worst.
What do you mean?
You'll see. I crashed within 5 minutes, dude.
What is that? What are these lights?
These are LED lights, you know, for nighttime hovercrafting.
Oh my gosh, dude. So you also paid for a bunch of work to be done to make sure it's like running well.
Well, I did a bunch of work on it, and then I had to pay someone to do it better. It's a 2-cycle engine, so it's pretty basic. It's like a snowmobile engine or a really big lawnmower. I don't know.
What?
I don't really know how it performs. I don't know how fast it goes. No one really knows.
So our job today is to find out how fast this goes and how dangerous it really is.
No. Our job today is to make you somewhat comfortable that you won't die on this. That's it. That's the only job we have.
Okay.
Eric, I don't know, man. This might work amazing or it might go terribly wrong. But it'll be fun either way.
Wait, so this is the only way to steer?
Yeah.
What?
Watch the Ferrari.
Watch the Ferrari. Oh, so close. So what you're saying is she's reliable.
Not at all. Not at all.
Oh my gosh.
This is so hard to drive, dude. Go that way. Not this way.
Wait, I have to drive it now?
Yes, you have to. Oh, shit.
Oh,
Car.
she's smiling. Well, how do you explain this?
Oh my god. Oh shit, we killed it.
Oh no. Oh my gosh, bro.
It's so stressful.
You understand there's gonna be a whole nother level of stress when we're doing this.
Yes, but the aqueducts, fortunately,
Yeah.
they're really wide open except for those giant concrete sections that are in the middle.
That will die if we hit. This is very difficult.
Okay, let's watch the video.
Okay, I can leave this here with no keys because literally nobody can figure out how to start that. All right, so Hoss says I have to wash this before I drive it.
It's very informative for us to be able to steer.
It looks like it's from 40 years ago.
It is.
Maneuver the craft.
I know, it's good music, right?
Yeah, dude, the music hits.
Stay balanced on a cushion of air.
Oh, what is that?
Because you'll sink.
What do you mean?
You could sink.
How?
If you got up and you left the weight towards the back,
The whole thing sinks.
we flip over.
Why do we do these things?
It's not safe.
Have you watched this?
Yes.
Does shut down.
Once.
Come off the pocket of air.
Obviously, I failed. I crashed.
Confirmed that it is very dangerous.
It's definitely dangerous.
All right, let's go try it out. Trial 1, hovercraft. Throw it on me, baby.
Maybe.
Hoss, if I die, you can keep my camera. You get the YouTube channel.
Thanks.
nearly destroyed me. Oh. Let's go! Let's go, baby!
You did it!
Oh,
Hell yeah!
that is crazy!
Oh
That's
my god.
crazy, dude.
It is nuts.
You wanna try it?
No!
Okay.
Not at all.
I'm gonna go for another one. This is everything I've ever wanted and more. It's so great. All right, you're gonna go for a try?
I'm gonna try to not crash it.
Last time Hoss drove, he slammed into that light pole and broke it.
My only goal is to not break it.
Oh my God! Careful! That is a full body workout. Oh my gosh.
I don't know how this is gonna work, but we're gonna make it work.
In theory, this made a lot more sense, yeah.
Let's go fix all the things we blew over.
All right, so you're gonna take me home in this?
Yeah.
This thing's dope, dude. Oh. See you in LA. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh, that was genuine horror. Holy crap.